I'm back on site in Somerset, New Jersey for my third visit to this 237 kilowatt solar project, and the system is nearly complete. All 432 bifacial solar modules have now been installed. The 4 SMA 50 kilowatt inverters are in place and ready to be connected. Beneath the panels, we've also installed the components for the rapid shutdown system. These devices are designed to instantly reduce the voltage output at the panel level during emergencies, like a fire or power outage, which protects firefighters and service crews working near the system. The inverters play a different role. They take the DC electricity produced by the solar panels and convert it to AC power, which can be used by the building or exported back to the grid. These SMA inverters will also be integrated with monitoring systems so performance can be tracked in real time. Right now, we're in the final stages of cable management, making sure everything is secured, clean, and optimized for safety and performance. This is what a full-scope solar install looks like, and it's all designed, built, and supported by Big Shine Energy. We don't just walk away after install. We stay involved with metering, system monitoring, customer service, and long-term maintenance to ensure your solar investment performs at its best for years to come.